How to remove videos as your profile photo from TikTok. Hello and welcome to my channel, and today I will tell you how easy it is to delete videos as pictures of your profile in the application TikTok. Everything is very simple. You just need to follow me step by step to avoid any mistakes. This method is suitable for iPhone users and Android device users. First, you need to make sure that your application TikTok is updated. You can do this through the application App Store or Google Play. If it's not updated, be sure to update it to the latest version by clicking on the update option. Then go to the TikTok application and go to your personal profile by clicking on the window in the bottom right corner. Next, we can observe that our profile image is supposedly alive, which means that there is a video, not a static photo. And to fix it, click on the Edit Profile option, then select the video, then select the window on the right, Change Video. And you will have three different options. First, Change Video, the second one, Remove Video, and third, Watch Video. You need to choose Remove Video, and in this case, waiting a few seconds, your video from the profile image will be deleted. And now you can safely put any photo on your profile image in the application TikTok. And that's it. Thank you for watching.